Hello there, you are welcome to this channel. Stay with us as we introduce you to what you need to know about digital marketing. Pay attention. If you are new or have never made money in multi-level marketing before, this is going to be a very good beginning for you. If you are an experienced networker, this will be a paradigm shift for you. If you are struggling to build a team, this will take your team building to a whole new level. If you are struggling but eager to succeed in network marketing, you're in for a real treat. If you are already seeing success but you want more, this will blow your mind. If any of the options listed above describe you, then this training is for you. Perhaps you are aware that digital marketing is the name of the game in this 21st century. In case you're not aware, know this: digital marketing is the way. Irrespective of the business or industry you serve. In this training, we are narrowing our focus down to network marketing, but the same strategies can be implemented in other businesses. Now I'm going to lay out for you a 3-step plan for marketing online. This is the digital marketing strategy that the top online marketers as well network marketers are using to crush it. This is how we prospect and recruit online. It is how we build a massive team using the internet. This is how the top income earners are playing and winning the MLM game. Why this is crucial. If you want to still be relevant in network marketing in the next 3 to 5 years and beyond, it is important you pay attention. Digital marketing is the future. That future has already begun. If you are not implementing this in your business, then get ready to be crushed by anyone who is. Get ready to fizzle out in less than no time, or at best, consistently be at the mercy of those who are doing so. They can easily crush and dominate you, no matter how long you have been in multi-level marketing, no matter your experience. The pandemic has suddenly made a lot of folks stranded, and thus they are now looking for ways to start building their business online. They now want to learn how to build their business online. But what they don't know is that the big guys in multi-level marketing has been playing this online game long before now. You need to understand the fact that technology is so powerful that it has knocked a lot of big brands out of business in split seconds. It has made tons of people across the world lose their job and created new job opportunities for those who are smart. Those who position themselves to drift along tech innovation. Before we delve into digital marketing properly, it's good we lay the foundation to have things rolling smoothly. It's good we understand the basics. Statistics show that 95% of the wealth of the entire world is controlled by about 5% of the world's population. Experts tell us that even if you distort things and distribute the wealth equally to everyone, after about 5 to 10 years or so, the wealth will go back to its original owners. The once wealthy will become wealthy again. The once poor will become poor again. While you may dispute that claim, the fact remains that there is a system for success and wealth creation. I remember watching a video by one of my mentors. He made a profound statement and said, "It doesn't matter whether I am in South Africa, Nigeria, US, UK, Kenya, India, Australia or any other country. I will still be a multimillionaire. There is a system for success and wealth creation. If you commit yourself to playing by the rules and following the principles, you will succeed." From statistics, over 98% of the network marketing population are below the success line. Over 98% are failing. They are struggling to make a dime. I did a study recently after a conversation with a network marketer. MLM companies usually run promos, car awards and the likes. Most of the time, the people who get the cars while in company A are still the same people getting the cars while in the new company B and C. The folks who clapped but ended up not getting a car in company A then, are still the ones waiting to get their car in company B and C. Oftentimes, the high flyers in one company when they move and decide to a new company, are still the same people making the most amount of money in the new company. What a lot of the 98% do after seeing all this play out is to start hating on or complaining about upline rather than actually finding out and learning how to make the business work for themselves as well. The truth is, any Dick and Harry can succeed in network marketing. Period. If you learn what it takes to succeed and then you implement it. Learn. Take action. Implement. That is the secret to succeeding in this business. To succeed, there are a lot of things you need to learn, relearn and unlearn. That is why you are here today attending this training. You are ready to learn what it takes to succeed. I hope you are not among the 90% that take no action and do nothing about changing their lives and moving forward. PLs prove me right. Training is critical to your success in network marketing. Good training equips you for massive success. It is the number one reason why the majority are failing. They don't have good training. I see that everywhere almost every now and then, both online and offline. When you offer them training but at a fee, they pull back. If you have that mindset, the earlier you let go of it, the better and quicker it will be to start recording mind-blowing success. Renowned network marketing pro, Eric Warr, did a training a few days ago, and on board, about 90,000 network marketers were on board the training from every part of the world. Lots of professionals attended the training. We learned a lot. Training is continuous. Know this. Not having access to good training is the number one recipe for failure in MLM. I will try to do justice to that as much as I can as we journey together. 3 steps to success in multi-level marketing. These steps are critical to your success. They will either make or break you. Step 1. Decide to become a professional network marketer. The majority of networkers operate like hustlers. They just want to be able to sell products, they just want to be able to recruit new reps, that's all. All they want is a quick fix. You don't become a lawyer, attorney by just learning how to win cases in court. You don't become a medical doctor by just learning how to make incisions or prescribe drugs. You study to gain mastery in your profession. You commit yourself to learning what it takes to succeeding and becoming a master in your profession. Network marketing is a profession. If you treat it as such, you set yourself up for success. Want to become massively successful in network multi-level marketing? Become a professional network marketer. The professionals all have one thing in common, it is the word mastery. It is the reason why they are the same folks who get the cars and other awards in company A, B, C and so on. They can replicate success wherever they go or find themselves. Professionals will always get consistent success and predictable result in any company they choose to promote. They understand and have mastered what it takes to build and grow a successful MLM business. They have the requisite knowledge. Some are promoting pyramid schemes and all manner of programs, all in the name of network marketing. You don't want to be doing that if you want to succeed. Company you are promoting matters a lot, but this training is not about that. We will not be talking about choosing a company or which company to promote, as we have people here in the group who are promoting different companies. This training is only centered around equipping you to becoming a recruiting machine for any company and how you can stand out from the crowd and record massive success. If you want to succeed, never follow the majority. The majority are very shallow, they focus on what is at the surface. Again, they just want a quick fix. It doesn't work that way. Professionals operate from depth. They build from the depth of resources they are made of. They build from the depth of knowledge and information they have at their disposal. What you don't know, you cannot implement. If you don't implement, you will not get result. In network marketing, we learn to earn. Those who are not committed to going through the process of learning, never become successful. The top earners are always the top learners. They go for trainings. They buy materials to equip themselves. If they have to pay to get it, they pay without a second thought. This is what makes them top earners. This is why those who are not seeing success and struggling to succeed will keep struggling. They are not willing to invest in themselves. Now some may be of the opinion that the top earners are able to invest and get materials for themselves because they have the money. But that is completely false. It is all about mindset. If you don't see investing in yourself as an asset or a worthy investment, you will not do it. Everybody has the finance to do that. Just that for some, it is not worth it, and that is why they will never success. The top earners and professional networkers are always investing in themselves, buying video trainings, audios, books, both physical and ebooks, going through reports and all those stuffs. This training is design-led to equip you and give you a balanced information so you are better prepared for success in your business. If you want to succeed in multi-level marketing, you must crave for knowledge. You must consume content. You must invest in yourself. Nobody can do that for you. Network marketing is a knowledge-based business. Digital marketing helps you amplify what you already know to get massive success. If you don't know your business, if you don't know the basics, and then you implement digital marketing, you will fail woefully. That's why I have to take you through all these so you understand what you are doing. Countless number of times I have seen people marketing to me that I have to be the one advising them and telling them what they are doing right. You don't want that happen to you. Many a time, I see networkers who don't know how to prospect, don't know how to sell or market their opportunity, don't know how to choose a prospect, don't know how to present their opportunity, and so on. It's time to skill up and master your trade. If you become a professional, people will naturally cleave to you and want to do business with you. Step 2. Skill up. Develop the skills as quickly as possible. The informed you are, the more knowledgeable you become. The more knowledge you are, the more confident you are. Confidence makes you take action. If you take actions, you get result. The more actions you take, the better your results become. The more results you get, the more confident you become. Results help you develop stronger skills and better ones. If you get better results, it helps reinforce that skill and the cycle goes on and on. Get as highly skilled as quickly as possible. 7 fundamental skills in MLM. 1. Prospecting. 2. Inviting prospects. 3. Presenting. 4. Follow-up. 5. Helping prospect become a distributor customer. 6. Helping new distributors get started right. 7. Team building. An 8th skill, which is why we are here, is digital marketing. Digital marketing is a skill every 21st century network marketer must master if you want to succeed in MLM. Master it and set yourself up for massive success. Neglect or ignore it and fizzle out in less than no time. With digital marketing, you can reach prospects and give them reason to join your team months before your competitors reach them. To understand digital marketing, we need to start from where we have been. Let's go from the known to the unknown. What we have all been taught by uplines and the top leaders across several MLM companies is this: invite prospects for house parties, hotel meetings or seminars. Share flyers, meet people and start a conversation with them, go to the mall, go to restaurant, go to fuel, gas stations, share flyers and invite them. First, share your opportunity with friends, family, colleagues, etc. Make a list of everyone you know or have ever had dealings with and then reach out with them to invite them to see or check out your opportunity. Starting with making a list of your contacts or those you have had dealings with. The good thing about this approach is that you are dealing with your warm audience, as they know you already and are most likely to listen to you and take you serious. Some folks have built very successful MLM business following this model. But the major flaw in this model is the fact that 99% of them will not be interested in network marketing. They are not network marketers. Some may even end up advising you to go get a job. The level of rejection is very high. The second flaw is, sooner than later, you will exhaust your list. When that happens, you are now left to go into the streets to start meeting strangers at the mall, restaurant, gas station, etc. And you sure know how that goes. Kindly watch out for the part 2 of this video on this channel soon. Please subscribe to our channel if you like this video. Thank you.